Hello my friends, and welcome to the April pouring challenge with my friends on YouTube. This month our challenge is to use 2 different techniques and 3 specific colors: orange, turquoise, and magenta. So for my colors, I've chosen this turquoise, which is called Cobalt Teal by Golden, this magenta, which is called Quinacridone Magenta by Golden, and this orange, which is called Quinacridone Burnt Orange, again by Golden. And I am not sponsored. I wish I was. And my white is just house paint, Para house paint mixed with 25% Floetrol and water and a bit of GAC 800. All my colors are mixed the same way with a bit of Floetrol, about 25% Floetrol, and a little bit of water to give them the consistency that I like, and 1 drop of dimethicone in each of these 3 colors. And today I am going to do a mallet smash followed by some manipulation of the paint using either a hair dryer or a airbrush tool. I haven't decided yet. It depends on how the mallet smash turns out. So I'm going to start by covering my 12 by 12 gallery wrapped canvas with white. So I'm going to do a puddle pour. I think that's probably enough paint, because when you do a mallet smash, paint goes everywhere. Here it goes. Here's my mallet. Should probably zoom in a little. I really expected that to do a lot more than that. That is really quite boring. Although I do have some pretty cool cells, so it's not a complete waste of time. Shall I torch? Just to see if the torch does anything at all. There's silicone in there, so it should do something, but you never know until you try. No, don't think it did a thing actually. May have popped some bubbles, but I think that's about it. Give you a closer look at some of the effects. I think this area right here is probably my favorite. Just the turquoise next to the magenta is kind of pretty. Just kind of wish I hadn't done the mallet smash first. But I did, and I don't hate it. What do you think? This area is really pretty too. Alright, so I'll let her dry and see how she turns out.